greatest spectacle in the history of modern Maoridom. 8,000 natives from all parts of New Zealand gathered under a city of canvas. A Maori welcome is taking place, and a great concourse of natives is gathered to welcome the new arrivals.
For over a century, Māori have petitioned the British Crown to honour the treaty. Usually, we were refused audience, or the request was referred back to the colonial government. Today, the Crown and the government dignitaries will be here in person. Every tribal group sends forth its waka, each adding a voice to a chorus too clear to ignore.